Okay, so I get home for winter break and notice that the router is making this really annoying high-pitched noise. Didn't really think much about it until I actually had to use the wireless internet. Once it finally connects, it only connects at about 18 megabits, and the download speeds are really low, like less than 100 kilobytes per second. So I figured I'll take a look at the inside of this thing and see if there's anything visibly wrong with it. So much to it. Capacitors look fine. There's that nasty noise I was talking about. Alright. Now let's see if there's any kind of, what kind of ripple we're looking at. That's on a main power filtering capacitor, and right now it's set to 200 millivolts per division, so we're looking at like almost 600 millivolts of ripple on the main power filtering capacitor. There's where the high frequency noise is. Can't seem to catch it real good. This oscilloscope is really old. I don't think this thing even does 1 megahertz. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get anything, but we're still looking at least 400 millivolts of ripple on this power filtering capacitor. The capacitors are made by Capzon. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Got a 220 microfarad and a 470 microfarad. Yeah, I'm sure I can find a suitable replacement in my endless piles of electronic junk. Looks like some of these might work. Alright, I've upgraded the capacitors to some Sanyo capacitors out of a video projector I took apart a while ago. Actually upgraded the output filtering capacitor to 1000 microfarads, so it should be even better than the original one when it was new. And look, no more noise. It always did that. Now there's not even visible ripple. Put it on the maximum sensitivity. You can't even see it. Looks like we're back in business. Alright, I'm back on my laptop and it looks like we're back up to full speed.